Emperor Nicholas II wasn't at all picky about food. He could do with boiled buckwheat or potato for dinners, but when it got to parties or gala dinners, those were feasts with most expensive food one could ever find. I'm sure you all know Grigori Rasputin, a peasant, a pilgrim, a true believer. He allegedly possessed some supernatural powers because he was the only one who could heal the wounds of Tsarevich Alexei, the son of Nicholas II, who was incurably ill. No wonder Grigori Rasputin was a frequent guest at their house. And once Rasputin was invited over with his daughter Matrona. We also know her as Maria Rasputina. Rasputin was killed, and you know the story, but his daughter Matrona managed to escape from the Russian Empire. She ended up in America, and she became the animal tamer in a circus. Look into her eyes. She was her father's daughter. There definitely was something from her father in her eyes. When in America, Matrona gave numerous interviews, and she even wrote a few books of memoirs about her life in the Russian Empire. And in one book called Grigori Rasputin, The Man Behind the Myth, I came across a description of one of the dinners that Matrona was also invited to, and a nice description of the food and the atmosphere, and also a recipe for the ice cream. Matrona claimed that it was the best ice cream she had ever had, and it was allegedly the favorite ice cream of Nicholas II. So I just wanted to share it with you. I updated the recipe to the modern taste and modern products, but here it is, pure royal ice cream. Enjoy! And I would like to finish up with a lovely description of what happened afterwards. In the drawing room, a huge silver samovar, also bearing the royal insignia, was wheeled in on a cart. The very strong tea from the little pot at the top of the samovar was ready. A few drops of that dark brew were poured into each cup, the rest of it being filled with hot water from the samovar. And we sat down to the cozy hour that Russians love so well, when the talk is good and the hearts are warm.